Uh, the match was won by Bolts, so the losing captain is Shadows. What went wrong for you?
You were playing well, took away the game from us. We could have fielded well, but we played very well.
Better than next time. Now the winning captain of Bolts, AP. He lost wicket. And what went right and what was the strategy?
We pretty much gave them the game in the first five down for 31. Then Sunil played an excellent clock, played guard action, great temperament, and he made sure that we got to a comfortable score of 100. But once we got to 90 and 100, we were able to post 120, which is, I think, is a power score on this wicket. But coming to fielding, we dropped quite a few catches, but somehow I think our ballers stick to the basics and we gave very few extras. I think it was a close game.
All the best for the next games. Thank you. And the man of the match now, Sunil. He scored 48 runs off I don't know how many balls, but he got the game for balls anyways. So the man of the match.
And he scored 5 over 16 runs.
Oh.
Good job, buddy.
You came in a very pressure situation. What was your strategy and mind?
Well, my strategy was to just stay there but not get out. And if you see the scorecard, you can see in the first 15 balls, probably I scored like 2 runs and a dropped catch, thanks to the captain. But fortunately, the other batsmen were able to stay along and we were able to play out their opening bowlers who were really good. Soman and Rahul, excellent bowling. And from then on, it was just ones and twos and we were able to make it. And on the field, I think, as AP said, bowlers stuck to the basics, though we need to improve more on the fielding part. Thank you.
For next game. Take care.
Thank you.
నిజంగా బటన్ తప్పు నొక్కా రా నా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నిజంగా